Hi, baby. Happy Mansuri. Um, I hope naga-enjoy ka karon um with Nikki and our friends. I hope na katong ganiha dili to makaguba sa imong adlaw. I just want to play a song for you na katoy mong ganahan. That's why nangatanong ko sa imo ganiha kung unsa to na song. Cause I like that song too. Kanang wala. Cause the song tells na love you forever and forever. That's what I want to do. I mean, gusto ko in ato forever. Kikalpaan ko. Anyway, kuan, gusto lang ko makabalo ka na how much I love you and I want every day na maabot sa atong relationship will be special and memorable. That's why important sa ako always atong mansari. Kay murag pag nagkaana mo kadugay nagka-strong siya. And sorry di ko ka-guitar karon kay I'm sick. That's why weak ko gani hapon while nagstorya ta. But at least I try to talk and sorry kung murag dili siya kung lahi ang imong tan-aw ganiha. Anyway, kuan Mel told me na mag-video ko og kanang murag something like murag paghimo ko og murag reasons why I love you. Pero diba nagstorya na ta na kahapon. But there is one more thing why I love you. It's because each and every day na maabot sa ato, it's special and kanang murag each and every single day, every minute kay naga-strong akong love sa imo and I told you na it kanang deeper siya. And what to? Sorry. What to? Oops, I said sorry again. Kuan. What to? The reasons, dili siya the reason why I love you, but the reason why I keep on falling in love with you. It's because of you. Ask yourself na lang, giingnan natin ka, daghan na to. Anyway, makanta na ko, and I hope you will like it. Nag-advertisement pa. Who knows how long I loved you? You know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. For if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really mattered. I will always feel the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you forever together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I found you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things you do endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. I will. Mm-hmm. Da 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 da. Sorry. So sorry, mora ni akong surprise karon. But you know, daghan pa surprises na moabot. I love you and forever I will always do.